My name is Eric Ryla, Senior Vice President of Business Development at Acterys, and in the next 2 minutes, you'll discover how Acterys is revolutionizing planning, analytics, business intelligence, and frankly, how organizations achieve alignment through software. Acterys accomplishes this by adding enterprise-grade write-back and workflow enhancements to Power BI and Excel, allowing these very familiar tools to be leveraged across a litany of planning and operational challenges. How do we do this? Well, in a standard Power BI architecture, data flows in one direction, from disparate sources of data into a data warehouse or into Power BI directly, where end users consume reports and dashboards. The key limitation here is the one-way street of read-only data flow. Acterys transforms this architecture by introducing powerful write-back and workflow capabilities. By adding versioned write-back tables to the staging layer database and enabling write-back to the end user through Acterys' custom visuals, you create a dynamic, unified environment. This unprecedented flexibility empowers your organization to streamline operations, enhance decision-making, and achieve unparalleled alignment across your teams. Originally conceived within the planning and analytics arena, Acterys provides the most versatile, adaptable, and multi-purpose reporting platform, and the potential extends far beyond planning. Clients and partners alike are discovering how Acterys can be tailored to design unique business applications, fostering collaboration and driving innovation across the entire organization. The use cases, virtually endless. With Acterys, you can create interactive Power BI reports that allow users to directly input and update information. By empowering your teams to contribute their expertise without having to learn new software, you drive more timely and informed decision-making. This culminates into a dual advantage for clients leveraging Acterys. For analysts, it provides advanced write-back capabilities for sophisticated planning, analytics, and even what-if scenario model. For operational users, it offers configurable data entry and workflow automation to streamline the entire reporting process. So we invite you to experience the future of planning. Acterys empowers organizations to break down silos, streamline processes, and drive better decision-making with a powerful, flexible platform. This achieves next-level alignment. This is the future of truly versatile planning. This is Acterys. Please visit our website to learn more. Let's achieve alignment together. Thank you.